Yo, what is up, you guys? So today we're going to be uninstalling Microsoft Edge or deleting it. So we got trash Microsoft Edge. Where is it again? We got it right here. Right here. No one wants this trash browser anyway. Like, my god. What's up with Microsoft Edge? You suck. Microsoft is the power AI browser, smarter way to browse. Not the good browser. Your browser's trash. Look at all these gay features. Yup, it's unresponsive already. So we're going to delete it. We're going to open up Task Manager. So we're going to fully delete it. Look at this gay browser. Use OpenGX or Google Chrome. We're going to end task. We're going to check the processes. Microsoft Edge. Oh, no. Delete that. No. Alright, we should be good now. We should be good enough to delete it. And so, you're going to right click and click on file location. This is where it executes, so we don't want this application. Delete all of this. Why are you gonna be deleting this for no reason? Alright, you got that over with. We're going to go ahead and go to our recycle bin. And we're going to empty this. Done. Now, when you're trying to open it, it won't work. If you try to open up Edge, we are going to delete that. You mean this? There you go, guys. That's how you uninstall Microsoft Edge. That's how you uninstall it. It still works. That's how you uninstall this trash Edge. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.